If you're on this page, you've probably already done one of two things. Either you downloaded the free starter kit and you finally understand what this business model is, but you're still asking, okay, what do I do first? In what order? So I don't waste months guessing. Or you bought the Digital Goldmine ebook and now you can see the bigger picture, but you want the actual step-by-step implementation path, the tools, the build process, the setup, the lead flow, and the monetization pieces that turn an idea into something real. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Digital Goldmine is, who it's for, what's inside, module by module, and how you should decide whether it's your next step. Here's the truth. Most people don't get stuck because they lack information. They get stuck because the information is scattered. You can find videos on niche selection, keyword research, websites, local SEO, call tracking, pitching businesses, contracts, getting paid, tons of content. But without a clear order of operations, people do things out of sequence. They build before they decide. They publish before they structure. They try to sell before their lead flow is clean. And then they end up restarting or quitting because it feels messy. Digital Goldmine is built to solve that exact problem. It gives you a complete, structured system you can follow so you're not piecing together your plan from random videos. This course is for you if you want a real, repeatable process, not a collection of tips. You want to build digital assets the right way in the right order, and you're willing to take consistent action. It's not for someone looking for shortcuts or overnight results. This is a build and operate model, and this training is designed to help you execute it cleanly. Digital Goldmine covers the full workflow, from mindset and expectations to understanding the model, to picking a niche, doing research, building the site, SEO fundamentals, lead tracking, sales process, contracts, payment setup, and even optional paid traffic strategies like Facebook and Google Ads. In other words, it's not just how to build a website, it's the full system to build, set up, and operate a digital asset that can be monetized properly. Now let me walk you through what's inside so you can see the structure. First, we start with getting started, and this matters more than people think. You'll see. Welcome to the course so you know how to use it, about us and context for how we run the model, terms and acronyms with a downloadable cheat sheet. So you're not confused by the language people use in digital real estate, rank and rent, local lead gen, and SEO. Then we address mindset and consistency in your thoughts create your reality. Details. What's your vision for success and how to stay motivated? This section isn't motivational fluff. It's here because the biggest killer in this business model is starting, stopping, and restarting. The course sets expectations and gives you a stay in motion mindset so you actually follow through. Then we move into what you can expect and expectations for success, so you're clear on what success looks like, what effort is required, and what to focus on first. Next is understanding the Digital Goldmine model, which gives you the real foundation. Introduction to building and renting digital assets, types of digital assets, creating your digital asset, optimizing your digital asset, and even the operational piece a lot of people ignore. Customer service, towing the line, because how leads are handled affects everything long-term. After that, we go into niche selection with selecting the right niche, and you'll download the Market Research Chart B, Local Selection Guide so you're not guessing. Then we hit what most people need immediately. Research, free tools you can use right away, a walkthrough of Uber Suggest for keyword research and tools overview, a downloadable research worksheet so you can document your decisions and stop winging it. And if you want to step up your research, there's a section on paid research tools, Ahrefs Introduction and Ahrefs Basics. This is where your decisions become objective instead of emotional. You're not picking niches based on what sounds good, you're using a framework. Then the course moves into execution. You'll see how to use ChatGPT for the model, and you get downloadable prompts used in the lesson. You'll learn Canva for content creation, including templates, fonts, visuals, and even the mobile app, so your assets look professional. Then we shift into the website side and the systems that make this work. Intro to website design, so you understand what matters before you build. Off-page SEO fundamentals, backlinks, do follow versus no follow, DRUR, citations, and NAP consistency. Next is setting up your Google business profile properly. Then the operational setup most people miss, rental site email setup, Gmail accounts organization, inbound leads, call tracking with CallSling, including setup, tracking numbers, configuration, mobile app, and connecting to our recommended web builder. And then the monetization side. This is where the model becomes real in Sales 101, monetization strategies and implementation. You'll learn our proven pricing and rental cost structure, rental agreement, sales process, phone email scripts, monthly progress reports. Then we cover the pieces that make you look professional and get paid cleanly: e-signing contracts, Xodo sign, payment authorization workflows, Stripe invoicing and payments, a Facebook company page, legal compliance items like privacy policy, copyright, disclaimer, business structure basics, and tools like Rocket Lawyer. And if you want to add fuel later, there are masterclasses included for Facebook ads and Google ads with strategy, targeting, copy, creative, budgeting, tracking, optimization, and converting leads into clients. Finally, you have the build tools. Web Builder Overview, which includes Web Builder 2.0, using AI Assist to build you sites, building rental websites with AI, building with templates, competitor research, blogs, on-page SEO, mobile optimization, and final review. Next, you'll learn how to build your agency site and go live, how to purchase domains. Next, we show you how 2i rank your websites with on-page SEO, answer engine optimization, AEO, and using publishing and connecting tools like Google Search Console. This is an end-to-end operating system. Now, because I want you to feel confident before you buy, there's a free preview option. You can access a quick start preview that lets you see how the course is structured, review the terms and acronyms cheat sheet, understand expectations, and go through the foundation and niche framework. So you can decide if this matches how you learn. If you watch the preview and you think, this is exactly what I've been missing, then the full course is the obvious next step. So here's what to do next. If you're ready to stop guessing and follow a step-by-step system, click Enroll and get full access to Digital Goldmine. If you're still deciding, click Free Preview, watch the quick start, and evaluate the structure for yourself. Either way, your goal is the same. Get clarity, follow a clean build order, and execute consistently. When you're ready, enroll, and let's turn this into something you actually build and start earning passive monthly income.